Go back. Go back. Who's got right away? You know who's got right away. I'm just going to sit here.
I just want my damn license, please. I feel like we're in for a long stay. This is super dark.
Put on my blue suede shoes and I boarded the plane. Touchdown.
This is just ridiculous.
In the middle of the pouring rain. WC Handy, won't you look down over me? Yeah,
No, move back. You know I've got right away.
but I'm as blue as
Move back. You know I've got right away. Look, now you've got a car behind you. Move back.
walking with my feet 10 feet off a beam.
Reverse. It's the one with the R on.
But do I really feel the way I feel?
Go on.
Saw the ghost of Elvis on Union Avenue.
Yeah,
I'm not moving.
Followed him up to the gates of Graceland, and I watched him walk right through. Now security did not see him. They just hovered around his
You can't
tomb.
fucking reverse, that's the
There's a
problem.
pretty little thing waiting for the king.
Look at the size of my car, look at that hole. It ain't fitting.
When I was walking in Memphis, I was walking with my feet 10 feet off a beam. Walking in Memphis, but do I really feel the way I feel? They've
God,
got
no, I can't
catfish
select
on the table. They've got cars.
Come on, not say anything.